going to take a look at problem number 11. And to do this, it's helpful to think about what they're actually asking when they say which statement best describes the solutions of a two-variable equation. So a two-variable equation, so you're looking at your x and your y if you have a two-variable equation, and your ordered pair, when you come up with it, has to be on the equation if it's actually going to be a solution. So if you were to graph your equation, let's just say we graph here y equals mx plus b. The solutions to this are going to have to lay on this line. Otherwise, it's not a solution to it. If you have a system of equations and they're crossing, your solution needs to be where they cross, on where they cross. There's no rule that says it has to be one of the coordinates are 0 or one of the coordinates for y is 0. The ordered pairs don't need to be near the graphed equation. That would mean that they are not a solution. If they're laying off to the side here, it's not actually part of that equation. Your goal, remember, you want your left-hand side to equal your right-hand side. And if that is the case, then the ordered pairs are going to be on the graphed equation. So it's pretty simple, but you have to have the idea of what you're being asked here.